First of all, I congratulate the second freedom of Afghanistan against the United States and the NATO soldiers. I congratulate to all of the people of Afghanistan and our honesty soldiers and our brave soldiers. Yes.
What do you think? How is the soldier of Afghanistan? Some of different police,
Yes.
national army, and special force. What do you think?
Yes.
Is independent of intellectuality?
Yes, the army of Afghanistan is very brave and they are very honesty and they get the freedom against the 52 countries. Yes, and all of the people, such as the younger people of Afghanistan, love our soldiers, love them. Especially the national security soldiers. Today they are coming to our university and we gave them the gift and also we supporting him.
دلتا غزنی کندوز هلمند دلتا زابل ارغن میوند دلتا انگریز و کلابند دلتا میدان وړی اثر دا وطن د شملو د درنو پښتنو د بتورو زلمو د مسکن د عمر دلتا منصور پاوینو سور دلتا منصور ابن منصور دلتا یونس خالص باتور هر یو دینر دلتا څوک نه دی له چا کم د سر پګړۍ په اوږو دلتا منعم دی ډیر منعم ماشا نظر